Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken gratin. First, gather all your ingredients, including cooked chicken, potatoes, and your favorite cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your gratin cooks evenly from the start. Don't forget to lightly grease your baking dish with butter or cooking spray, preparing it for the delicious layers to come. This initial preparation is key for a perfect result. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Start by arranging a base of thinly sliced potatoes in your prepared baking dish. Next, distribute your cooked chicken evenly over the potato layer. Then, pour a rich, creamy sauce, like a bechamel, over everything. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite grated cheese on top. These layers combine to create a truly comforting dish. It's time to bake your gratin to golden perfection. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's bubbly and hot. You'll know it's ready when the cheese topping is beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Once out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the layers to set, making it easier to serve. Your delicious chicken gratin is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as a comforting main course, perhaps alongside a fresh green salad for a balanced meal. This dish is perfect for family dinners or a cozy night in. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.